y'all, so I am out at a community in Bulverde, Texas called Copper Canyon. I'm actually in a garage right now, but this is all the construction and everything going on. There are a ton of homes already built here, but I am looking at the DR Horton homes today. I'm inside the garage. It's 103 outside right now and I can't see out in the sun, but I wanted to introduce you guys to this amazing community out here in Bulverde. They have a pool, a splash pad, a fitness area that I'll show you all the pictures too of everything of that. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about some of the homes that are available. So I'm looking at my list right now. These homes start at around 1,400 square feet for $340,000, and they go all the way up to 2,861 square feet for starting at $465,000 without any upgrades. I did take a video of 2 of the model homes from DR Horton that I'm going to share in this video as well, and also highlight in some other videos. But let's go check them out, and I'll kind of take you through the neighborhood and so you can see what's going on. But there are so many homes being built here and so much opportunity here in Bulverde, Texas, right south of Spring Branch, Texas, and just north of San Antonio, Texas. So let's go check them out. Before we go into a video on building with a community builder like DR Horton, Lennar, any of those kind of homes. So I'm actually sitting right outside of the DR Horton in Copper Canyon. So the reason why I show these homes is so you guys can see communities and homes being built in the area. But I wanted to emphasize on how important it is to use your own realtor when buying a home, a model home from a builder, because the representatives that work inside of there, they do an amazing job, but they represent the builder themselves. So when they're representing you and the builder, they're representing the builder first and you second. You want to make sure that you bring a reputable realtor in your side to help you with the transaction from beginning to end, to make sure that everything is happening right for you. And that is what I would do. That is what a realtor would do for you, is we come in and we represent you, not the builder. So you want to make sure that you use a realtor. It does not cost you anything to use a realtor as a buyer. So make sure that you contact me if you're in the South Texas area to purchase a home from a new construction or a builder. There's the splash pad, the fitness center, and their community pool. All right, so like you just saw, this is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home, 2-car garage, 2,539 square feet. That right there to the right when you walk in the door is the dining room. Stairs to the left, laundry room to the left, and the garage. There's a small half bath right there to the right, and then it opens up into the kitchen and the living room. So connecting the dining room and the kitchen is a butler's hallway with the pantry back behind here and a little coffee bar area. So next we're going to head over into the master bedroom. There's a view into the backyard. It's a downstairs, first floor master bedroom and bathroom. Large walk-in closet, large soaking tub, a shower, and then we will head back out into the living area. Next, let's head up the stairs where all 4 bedrooms are for children, guests, extra bedrooms. There's a loft area here, and then all the 4 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom upstairs. So thank you for watching my walkthrough of that video. So that was the Lombardi model of DR Horton, the 2-story with 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2539 square feet. So on my next video, if you go back into my YouTube channel, go to my videos, I am going to show you a 1-story, which is the Irvine model, priced at $391. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1796 square feet. So go check that out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. My name is Heather Knox with eXp Realty. If you go to my description in the bottom, you can get all of my information, how to contact me, how to purchase homes in San Antonio, Bulverde, Spring Branch, and the surrounding areas. Otherwise, if you like my videos and want to see more of the community around San Antonio, like my videos, give me a comment. Ask me what other properties and communities that you would like me to go record for you. Otherwise, have a great day, and I will see you next time.